Under a southern sky, not a Friday, just a Tuesday. Frank let the cork go early in his own casual way. It climbed like it had somewhere else to be, while Michael watched the sky, keeper of the cork, unofficially. Wonboyn oysters, lemon bright on the shelf. That quiet little moment when everything's well. Collins at the barbie, steak talk in a flame. Deck boards holding old mates who don't need names. Here's to the nights that don't try too hard, to a drifting cork and a backyard yard, to food and friends and a view we keep when the lake knows more than we need to speak. Someone said it hit orbit, took the scenic way round. Frank poured another glass, said nothing, just smiled down. Michael stayed ready, eyes still up high, like some things come back better if you don't ask why. A yard cut west in the thinning light. The lake went still, then deepened its color at night. Here's to the nights that don't try too hard, to a drifting cork and a backyard yard, to food and friends and the view we keep when the lake knows more than we need to speak. Plates were clear, the talking slowed, calling past the last of the meat he'd cooked just right. Tuesday felt like it'd been a rule or two, like time does when it's got nothing to prove. Then right on cue, no fuss, no sound. That cork came home, kissed the deck, sat down. Michael nodded once, like yeah, I thought so.
Hang it on the wall, pour another drink.